Hello, today I will make tiramisu at home. For this, we first pour 1 packet of pudding into our pot. And we add 2½ cups of milk on top of it. After stirring it a little, we cook the pudding. Since the pudding we cooked is hot, we pour it into another bowl to cool down. And on top of this, we add the biscuits by crushing them with our hands. And that feels good. We pour 50 grams of chocolate pieces into our mixture. And we start mixing it well. We mix it until it becomes a paste. Then we spread it in a large bowl. I try to spread it evenly everywhere. And then I put it in the refrigerator and start making the cream. For this, we pour 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder on top of 1 packet of whipped cream. After adding 1 cup of cold milk, we start mixing with a mixer. After we get the consistency we see, we can stop mixing and pour it over our mixture in the refrigerator. After spreading it evenly everywhere, we add cocoa powder to make it look good. The video quality looks low because I made it at night. But it tasted very good. If you subscribe and like the video, I would be very happy.